Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to our Bisaya Word of the Week series. Today is the continuation of the medical signs and symptoms vocabulary. So this is the part 2. I am here to teach you common conversational Cebuano. Now, before we go to our vocabulary, I have to discuss these words that are very common. We have ache, sore, or pain. This is in Bisaya, sakit. Sakit. Okay, and then we have ang here. This is the general direct noun marker. And then we have the og, indefinite or objective marker. Okay, now let's go to stomach ache. Stomach ache is sakit ang tiyan. Sakit ang tiyan. Okay, sakit, we have ache here, and then stomach is tiyan. Next, we have pain of the hands. Sakit ang kamot. Sakit ang kamot. Kamot is hands, and then sakit again is pain. Now, pain of the fingers, we have sakit ang mga tudlo. Sakit ang mga tudlo. Mga tudlo is fingers. And again, sakit is pain. So, pins and needles is, there are 3 ways to say this. The first one is banhood, which I just heard for the first time because I asked somebody who is a doctor, my cousin, and I asked him, what's the Bisaya for pins and needles? And he said banhood. And then, whoa, that is something very, very new to me because what I know is just tosok, okay? And the longer version, which I usually say or use, is this one, mura og gitusok og dagom. Mura og gitusok og dagom. Okay, needles is dagom, and then mura og gitusok, it's like you are being poked by needles. Okay, next we have redness, pula or naga-pula. Pula means red. When you say redness, it's pula. Next, we have dryness. Ga-uga. Uga means dry. Okay? Ga-uga. Next, temperature. Ang kainit. The root word here is init. Init means hot. Ang kainit means, body temperature of the person. Okay, next, we have mouth ulcer or mouth sores or blister. We call it luas. Next, choking. Choking, natukan, or you can say, naay gabara sa tutunlan. Tutunlan here is throat. Naa means have. Gabara, blocking. Okay, naay gabara sa tutunlan. You're choking or choke. The next, we have insomnia. Dili makatulog. Okay, the root word here is tulog, which means sleep. You put dili here, which means not or cannot. Dili makatulog means you cannot sleep. So that is insomnia. Next, we have difficulty in falling asleep. Maglisod og katulog. Maglisod og katulog. Okay, we have katulog here is asleep or sleep. And then maglisod is difficulty. Next, we have heart rate. Pulso. Heart rate. And then we have pale. Luspad. Then feeling cold. Gitugnaw. From the root word tugnaw, which means cold. Okay? Next, crying. The root word here is hilak. Okay, present tense, you can say naghilak or gahilak. Next, we have heart attack. Gi-ataki sa kasing-kasing. Now, you have to take note of this, guys. Kasing-kasing is really hard. You don't just say kasing. Okay? Kasing-kasing is hard. You don't break these words. And then gi-atake, which means attack. Okay? Attack. And then we have here asthma attack. Asthma is hubak. So attack is giatake. So asthma attack means giatake sa hubak. Next, we have abnormal. Abnormal, that is not normal. So not here is dili and then normal. So dili normal. Infectious. Makatakod. Makatakod. Infected. Natakdan. Natakdan. Bitten. Napaakan. Napaakan. This one is the root word paak. Okay? Paak. Next, itchy skin. Katul ang panit. Itchy means katul. And then panit is skin. Now we have here, again, skin is panit. Skin rashes. Katul-katul sa panit. Katul-katul sa panit. Rashes is katul-katul. When you say itchy, it's just katul. Okay? When you say katul-katul, this means there are rashes already because you keep on scratching it. Katul-katul. Next, we have urine, ihi. Ihi. And then pee or peed, nangihi for present, and then nakaihi for past tense. Then we have here poop, nalibang, nalibang. And then we have pooped, nakalibang, nakalibang. Neck stiffness, tikig ang liog, okay? Neck stiffness means tikig, and then liog is neck. Painful eyes, sakit ang mata. Okay, we have here painful, which means sakit, and then we have eyes, mata. Next, we have blurred vision. Hanap ang pananaw. Hanap ang pananaw. Hanap means blurred or blurry, and then vision is pananaw. Pananaw. Now, we have nosebleed. The root word here is songgo. Songgo. Present, gisonggo. Past tense is nagsonggo. Alright, so that's the end of our vocabulary of medical signs and symptoms. Watch out for next week as I will be sharing medical phrases and sentences that are useful in the clinic or hospital settings. Okay, once again, I want to thank you for your time, for being with me today. And if you're very new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you like what you're watching, what you're seeing. So again, see you next week. And before, in a couple of days, I'll be publishing another video, but not related to Bisaya. Okay? That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.